Hi, and welcome to another episode of LekkerMoto. Bit of a different video this week. If you've been watching the channel for a little while, you will recall that I had a leaky clutch reservoir not so long ago while riding on a trail, which I managed to sort out trail side. If you missed that, have a look in the corner, I'll post a link. But anyway, I've got a gap this evening. I'll quickly sort that out. I did have another video planned for this week, but it simply is not going to be ready in time, so I thought I'll take you along another little journey. Hi, I'm sorry for interrupting your video. If you enjoy this kind of stuff, have a browse through the LekkerMoto channel. I make immersive and engaging moto content, showcasing some of the best riding experiences and locations. You can support the channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. It's absolutely free. Anyway, enough of that. Right, that's pretty well bled. Fluid is clean, no real air in the system, so that means our job here is done. And that is how you bleed your clutch. Right, so that is how you change the seals on a KTM 990 Adventure clutch master cylinder. See you next week.